So in this video, you'll learn how to change the auto lock period on your Samsung Galaxy A36, A26 or A56. So the first step when it comes to changing the auto lock period is to open the settings app. Once you're in settings, scroll and select screen lock and lock screen and AOD, and then you want to select screen lock settings. If you don't see this option listed, it means that you don't have a PIN, password or pattern set on your phone. So ensure that you've created one so that you can be able to access this feature. So tap on it and then enter in your current PIN, password or pattern. And then from here, you should see the option auto lock when screen turns off. In order for you to be able to use this, you have to start by disabling lock instantly with side button. And then once you've disabled it, you can now start using the auto lock feature. So by default, it's set to 5 seconds, which means that whenever I press on the side button of my phone, before the 5 seconds is over, if I press on the side button again to unlock my device, then you'll notice that I no longer need to input a PIN, password or pattern so that I can be able to use it. However, if I press on the side button, wait for the full 5 seconds to pass. So if I count until 5 and then it's passed, whenever I press on the side button again, you'll notice I'm now being prompted to enter in my PIN, password or pattern so that I can be able to use my phone. You can choose to change the time period, so you can choose to use 1 minute. And once you've selected that, it now means whenever you press on the side button, if a minute hasn't passed and you want to unlock your phone, you can just press on the side button again and you can continue where you left off. So it's up to you to decide which of these time periods you'll prefer to use on your phone. And then once you've selected the time period, you can just close the settings app with the changes being applied onto your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.